Our sense organs. Highlights of the lesson. Various body parts. Different functions of the body. Different kinds of teeth. 1. What is the picture? 2. How many colors you can see in this picture? 3. What happens if you pluck the flower from the plant? 4. Can you smell or feel the picture? Yes. Now we will study about the sense organs. Smell, sight, touch, hearing, taste. Sense organs are those parts of the body that can detect a certain type of stimulus or change in the environment, and the information is sent into our brain. The sense organs allow us to get a sense of the environment we are in. The nerves take up the information from the environment and make us perceive it. These organs allow us to interact with our environment very efficiently. Sense organs. We have in total 5 sense organs. That is, eyes, ears, tongue, nose, and skin. These organs detect various stimuli which are light, sound, taste, smell, and touch. Do you know? The human brain is the organ that has the ability to use input from the senses to tell us what we smell, see, taste, hear, or feel. 5 sense organs. Eyes. When we look at beautiful scenery like a mountain, a waterfall, or maybe a flower garden, how do we really differentiate between all these beautiful sceneries? The eyes are a very important sense organ that allows us to see our environment. The eyes are sensitive to light, and the environment sends the images to our brain. The light is captured from the environment, and that information is received by the brain, and we can sense the brightness, color, and distance of the object. The light travels via the cornea and lens. The image is formed on the retina. The sensory cells are present in the retina that receive the image and send the information to the brain. Therefore, we can distinguish between all these different images. Ears. Ears are the auditory sense organs and let us perceive sounds. We perceive sounds as vibrations, and the vibrations in the air are captured by the ears. The outer ear receives the vibrations and it travels through a narrow canal and vibrates the eardrum, which moves 3 tiny bones present in the inner ear, and that is attached to the auditory nerve which sends signals to the brain, and that is how we detect different sounds. The ear also helps us in balancing our bodies while moving. Tongue. The tongue is a key sense organ that allows us to taste the flavors in our food because of the taste buds. These taste buds on the tongue can sense different tastes. As we chew our food, certain chemicals are released in our mouth that get mixed with saliva and reach the taste receptors on our tongue. The different flavors and tastes are sweet, bitter, sour, and salty. The way the tongue allows us to enjoy a tasty meal by letting us understand the flavors. Similarly, it also warns us when we put something rotten and not suitable for use in our mouth and thus we spit it out because of that underwhelming taste. Skin. The skin is the largest sense organ of our body. It can detect the sense of touch and anything that has to be felt by touch. It is a very soft and flexible coverage of the body having hair, nerves, nails, etc. Everybody can sense all sorts of sensations on skin, be it temperature, texture, force, or type of substance, be it solid or liquid. The nerves are present on all of the skin surfaces and we can understand exactly where we feel a certain sensation by the message that is transferred to the brain by the nerves. Just like when we suddenly touch a hot pan, we immediately get a burning sensation and we know where it has happened. Do you know? Input from the senses are carried from special nerve cells called neurons to the brain. Nose. The nose is the sense organ that works alongside the tongue to give us the best sense of flavors in our food. It helps us to perceive all different kinds of smells and that can be detected by the olfactory receptors, which are minute hair-like outgrowths in the nose. We also breathe through the nose. There are certain receptors that can detect the type of smell the air has which we inhale, and the brain identifies it. Our sense of smell allows us to judge between good and rotten food. The nose has hair inside it as it helps in the filtration of air by capturing all the dust and microbes that can cause irritation in our body and also germs that can be harmful to us. Do you know? We know about the 5 sense organs. There are other 3 sense organs. The 3 sense organs are vestibular, proprioceptive, and interoceptive. These 3 bonus senses help us understand more about our bodies and how it functions. Teeth. The teeth in our mouth help us to break the food into smaller particles. It will help us to cut and chew the food. So we cannot imagine a teethless life. Now let us learn more about teeth. Milk teeth and permanent teeth. We have 2 types of teeth in our lifetime. They are milk teeth and permanent teeth. At the age of 2 to 3 years, a child has 20 teeth. This set of teeth is temporary and is known as milk teeth. When the child is above 6 years, this milk tooth begins to fall off. In that place, new teeth will appear. These new teeth are called permanent teeth. An adult human being will have 32 teeth. Different kinds of teeth. Our teeth is designed to perform different types of functions. according to the functions they perform. Our teeth is divided into 4 types: incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Incisors. Incisors are the front teeth found in the upper and lower jaws. They are the sharpest teeth with a flat cutting surface. They are shaped to cut food into smaller particles. We have 8 incisors in our mouth. Canines. Canines are found next to the incisors. Canines are meant for holding and tearing the food. Therefore, they are narrow and pointed in shape. We have 4 canines in our mouth. Premolars. Premolars are found just behind the canine teeth. They are much bigger than incisors and canines. They have a flat surface with ridges on the sides. They are meant for chewing the food. We have 8 premolars. Molars. Molars are the last teeth towards the back of our mouth. Molars are much bigger than the premolars and have wider, flatter surfaces because their job is to finely grind the food before swallowing. We have 12 molar teeth in our mouth. Glossary. Stimulus. Stimuli is a detectable change in the internal or external environment. Efficiently. Capable of producing desired results, especially without waste, as of time or energy. Retina. The retina is at the back of your eye and it has light-sensitive cells called rods and cones. Receptors. Receptors are special structures located on the different parts of the body that are capable of recognizing and receiving messages. Underwhelming. Failing to make a positive impact or impression. Auditory. Pertaining to hearing, to the sense of hearing, or to the organs of hearing. Perceive. To become aware of, know, or identify by means of the senses. Let's recall. The sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Each organ helps to perform different functions. Do not use sharp objects to clean your ears. Nose identifies different smells of objects. We taste our food with our tongue. Skin acts like a blanket that covers our entire body. There are different types of teeth according to the functions performed by them.